What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Money, and I'm back again with another video for y'all, man. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you turn on post notifications so I can, not me, but you, so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, bro. And if you're back to watch another video, welcome back. You feel me? But we're in the car, as you can see, and you can see a Christmas tree right behind me. But as you see by the thumbnail and title, this is going to be a last car meet of 2023. And yeah, so we're about to head there right now. As we got a 5-0 right here. Y'all stay tuned for this video. As y'all see by the thumbnail and title, like I said, we're going to a car meet. Yeah, y'all stay tuned and turn on post notifications so y'all can be notified every time I drop a banger. And let's get into the video. We done met some people on the highway. As y'all can see, this Mustang right here was recording me. And then, I don't know if y'all can see, hold on. Oh my God. Well, apparently, I don't think they're having it right now because I just seen a whole bunch of cops sitting in the parking lot, and I just see everybody leaving right now. So now I don't know where everybody's going right now. And I'll show y'all in just a second on what's going on right now. Look at this. What in the world? That is crazy. I don't know what to do now. All right, y'all, so he sent out another location. It's in Garner. It's at a, what is it? The movie theater. Somewhere in Garner, so we're about to head right there right now. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but bro, this Tahoe or whatever it is been keeping up with that Mustang, and I'm like, yo, ain't no way. All right, y'all, we have made it to the spot, the second spot. I was there already. I had to go leave to get some more tape because something happened to the lights. But yeah, they're going crazy over here, y'all. So I got social anxiety like crazy, bro. I can't, bro. I can't. But I'm gonna get out and try to show y'all these cars that's out here. Yeah, crazy out here, bro. Too crazy. Let me go show y'all some Let me go show y'all some cars real quick before this get crazy, bro. Honestly, I don't know what to show y'all because it's a lot. Everybody's around everywhere. Well, y'all see my car right here.
We do not care.
I want to see if I can see somebody. I'm gonna go show y'all them BMWs, bro. The lineup go crazy, bro. It's all Mopar all down this lane right here, bro. But when I was here first time, these right here pulled up. You got a F80. You got another F80. That's a 5 color. I ain't gonna hold you. This go crazy. Then we got a G80 right here. And then this G80, this is a crazy. It look like a wrap, or it look like paint, but it got carbon fiber right here. This thing go hard, yo. I'm not gonna hold you. Getting hectic out here. Y'all can see all the way over there. Crazy. So I'm about to run over there and get some content for y'all, and let's get it. yo, they can have people standing right here. They can have that, bro. I be seeing videos of people getting hit. I don't got time today. People getting injured. Nope. Not today, buddy. What's good, y'all? It's the next day and we're back at it with another meet. It's kind of, I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna try to talk quick. So we back out here again. There's another car meet and we all out here. You can see me and John's car right there. Russell's right beside us. But yeah, it's lit out here. We got a, it look like an RT right here. Another Charger. And this meet is a little ghetto, I ain't gonna hold you, but I ain't gonna say too much, but yeah. And I thought it was gonna say something because of my car, but yeah, but we got John, Jade, and Russell here today. But bro, I gotta get away from this copyright.
I can't talk about that.
For real, that's why I went all the way over there. For real, I said, let me keep talking so I don't get copyrighted off of this video, honestly, because I don't got time. But yeah, they doing all burnout. And yeah, I'll catch y'all when they do something crazy. All right, y'all, we are leaving the spot right now. We are going to Kickback Jacks because all of us are hungry right now. But they're still going crazy out here, yo. Like, it's crazy. And the cops haven't showed up yet, which is weird to me, but I'm not worried about all of that. But yeah, we're going to get Kickback Jacks. I never had Kickback Jacks before, so we're going there. And yeah, I'll see y'all. And just before we leave, there is a cop that just showed up. So yeah, we leaving just in time, but there's only one right now. I mean, there might be some around the corner, but we're already leaving, so we don't have to worry about that. And we're not, never mind, I ain't gonna say we're not doing nothing crazy, but yeah, they are. They going hectic out here. But yeah, like I said, we're going to Kickback Jacks, and I'll catch y'all when I go there. They're closed. I'm like, why is they moving around? But They're closed. So now we gotta find something else because, yeah. I'm all the way over here, y'all, and they just talking. And mind you, I don't even have a walkie-talkie. So they got walkie-talkies and talking to each other. And I don't got nothing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
I'm all left out.
Cosmic Cantina or something.
Oh, yeah.
They open till 4, supposedly.
Oh, yeah. We can do that. Alright. So, we switched it up now. We're going to Cosmic Cantina. If y'all live in Durham, y'all should know what it means. It's Mexican, basically. So, we about to get that. And, yeah. Once again, we have come up short. Cosmic Cantina is closed for today. Usually they stay open till 4, but mind y'all, it is Christmas Eve, so places are starting to close early. So yeah, we're headed to Waffle House right now, and we're about to see if they're open. If they're not, then looks like we're about to be eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches at the crib. So they should be open. They're Waffle House, right? They gotta be open. Merry Christmas to y'all. It is Christmas Eve. Even though this video is gonna be posted after Christmas, but still, Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year and all that other stuff. So we'll see if
Ayo, Parrish, this shit high, boy.
Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a 2-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping.